Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope you all my viewers are fine and doing well. So guys, if you are new on my YouTube channel, then please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. The creativity, the designs, the centerpieces is so beautiful, so amazing, so stylish. So guys, watch my YouTube channel, like to my YouTube channel, and creativity related to the Happy Easter are available on my YouTube channel. Easter is a beautiful event and Easter is a beautiful ideas, and my YouTube channel provides you the designs as well as the creativity as well as the designs of Happy Easter. We discuss about the Easter designs. The designs are so beautiful, so outclass. So guys, like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. The collection is so beautiful, the collection is so outclass. The most demanding and the most beautiful designs, creativity are available on my YouTube channel. So guys, if you are interested in this type of videos and in this type of collection, then please like, share and comment, because all collection and all designs of Happy Easter are available on my YouTube channel. The creativity are so superb, so stylish, so amazing. So guys, watch, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. The creativity and the collection and the designs and the beautiful centerpieces for the Easter are available on my YouTube channel. Floral arrangements related to the Easter are available on my YouTube channel. The creativity are so superb, so stylish, so inspired designs for my YouTube viewers who are watching my YouTube channel. Love my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And designs is so beautiful. The creativity, the designs, the lovely designs, all are new, classy and beautiful. The most demanding ideas. So guys, watch, like and comment, and the superb ideas, the super stylish